We'll guide you through how to get your Google Gemini API key. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Google AI Studio. Open the official Google AI Studio website and sign in with your Google account, if prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the AI Studio dashboard. Now look towards the left-hand side and click on Get API Key. On the API Keys page, click on Create API Key. You may be asked to select a Google Cloud project. If so, choose an existing project or create a new one. Once you've selected your project, click Create API Key. Google will now generate a new Gemini API key for your account. After the key has been created, click on Copy to copy the API key to your clipboard. Make sure to store your API key somewhere safe and secure, as anyone with access to the key may be able to use your API quota. You can now paste this API key into your application, website, or development project to start using the Gemini API. If you ever need to create additional keys or manage existing ones, simply return to the API Keys section in Google AI Studio. And that's it. That's how to get a Google Gemini API key. If you found this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.